Hi friends, as we know, many companies are venturing into e-bikes. Husqvarna has unveiled its e-scooter and e-motorcycles. First, let's talk about the e-scooterate model Vektorr's specs and design. The e-scooter design would be similar to that of Chetak's e-bikes. The body panel comprises of an interesting amalgamation of flat-looking figures like square, triangle and rectangles. Seat is flat parallel to the floorboard and the front portion has a curvy structure. Circular headlamp with the dual-tone body color. The brand name is embossed on the sides in the color of yellow. The top speed is 44 kilometers. Purposely designed to the Europe market, which do not require a license to ride. On a single charge, we get 95 kilometers range. Now let's talk about the next model, the E-Pilen e-motorcycle. It has a circular headlamp, wide handlebar. E-Pilen has 3 removable batteries packed inside the fuel tank. The company may provide a facility of battery swapping. It has 8 kV chain drive motor. Single charge will ride up to 100 kilometers. The top speed is 100 to 120 kilometers per hour. The front are the USD forks and the rear as a monoshock suspension are given and the braking systems are disc. First, it will launch in Europe market and then into the Indian market. Likely to manufacture at BajaPlant, Pune, Maharashtra. That's all for today. Bye bye. Be safe, be healthy.